Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new, welcome to the channel. I hope you'll enjoy the video and maybe we'll consider subscribing. So I am going to try another swipe. So colors I've chosen: light blue, permanent gold, bright aqua green, medium magenta, and light pink. Now, my last swipe, I wanted a lighter kind of painting, and it didn't work out that well. Just moving these guys out of the way because I over-torched, way over-torched, and that's my own fault. So we're gonna try again, and I'll be not as rough, we'll say, with the actual torch. I've taken out the darker colors. So I had like a darker green and a darker, it was a purplish color. And I figured that might be my problem. So I am swiping this way. So I'm gonna put the paint on kind of blob-like, not stripes. And just see, kind of layer paint over paint. Hope I have enough paint. Again, it's tough to kind of get all the measurements. I did go to the store and buy bigger stir sticky things. And when I put them in these cups, because they're so tiny, they were just so big. I was like, I'm gonna have an accident or something. Got stuff falling. Wait one sec. Sorry about that. That was my ring light. I guess I didn't have the little turny thing for the tripod tight enough. So, whoops. Okay. Let's do some of this pretty light pink. I really like this light pink color. So I did do, my medium is 60% glue, 40% water. And I have it in 2:1. So 2 parts medium, 1 part glue. I hope these colors will be very pretty together. And as I said, I'm going to restrain myself. I know my popsicle stick there is dribbling paint, and I'm okay with that. I just hope I have enough paint. I found a different way to calculate it. It was another artist, was nice enough on their personal web page. They had a calculation on there, so I'm like, well, I am going to borrow the calculation and see if it will work, because last time I had way too much paint. Okay, let's pour on some of this beautiful gold. I'd like to thank all of you that watch my videos. You know, especially the painting ones, because, you know, I'm just learning, so I really appreciate it. Got more stuff falling down. That's a piece of transfer tape that I had sticking to, I've got the IKEA calyx, I'm not sure how to say it, I've got the Acrylic system. So I've got, let me count. I've got the big 8-piece one. So it's 2 side by side and then it goes up 4. Then I've got 2 single ones. One's on its side and it's on top of the 2x2 and the one's beside it. So, okay. Let's do some more magenta. Get a little bit of the dark up there. Where else do we need magenta? Some right there. Get the rest of the magenta out. And we will add it to this one. Hope you guys, wherever you are, I hope you're having fantastic weather. We had some cold days, a bit of frost, a little bit of snow. Yeah, I live in an area where we can get snow. I'm not a winter person. I don't like cold weather. Don't know if you are like me or if you love cold weather. I've tried winter sports, you know, see what the fuss is about, skiing. You know, as a kid, I liked tobogganing and stuff like that. But as an adult, I'd rather be inside where it's warm. So how about you? What's your favorite season? Mine's probably spring going into summer. Just with all the greenery popping through, you know, everything coming back to life. Watching new plants grow. I get very excited when the plants start popping up in my garden. I've got a couple smaller flowers, excuse me, that come up pretty early in the spring. So I'm always happy with that. With my garden, I don't trim it back in the fall. I seem to have luck trimming it back in the spring and just let the excess dead plants, I guess, kind of act as a bit of a cover. And it seems to be okay. I don't know if that's the right way or the wrong way to do it. So I've never actually looked it up. I guess I should. Get some more peach there. Not peach, light pink. Yeah, this is starting to fill up nicely. So I think I'm going to have enough paint. And enough to tip off. It's looking pretty neat on its own here. What do you think? Just trying to fill up some of the spots there. A bit more up here. Sorry, my arm blocks part of everything. Getting the paint out. Trying not to block it. I'm still pretty new to filming and, you know, not blocking the shot. I try my best. Okay, 3 colors done. Actually, I'm going to stack these. 2 colors left. Okay, apparently it stopped recording or I didn't click anything. Put down all my lovely colors. About to torch. This probably won't even turn into a video at this point. So... we'll do a small torch first. Let's see what pops up. I don't want to over torch. Got some pretty colors coming in. But we gotta wait. My torch, I got it to click on the first try. Very happy with that. Very, very happy. All right, let's try this again. The paint might be a little thick. Let's see what else we can pop up. So if this didn't record everything, I'm just going to have to do another painting. Well, we're getting some pretty cells in there. Lots of little ones. There's a hair floating. I caught it in midair. Definitely need more cells. Okay, got a few more popping in. Got some good coloring around a lot of the cells. I just want more, but not as many as last time. Not as many as last time. So I'm gonna let this sit for a second, and then I'll bring you back to see kind of what happens if it kind of waits for just a little bit. Okay, I am back. You can see the cells have grown a bit more. I've got a few spots where I would like to get more cells. What do you think? Should I try or use my little torch, which is running out of juice? I'd love to try and get some in there, up high, a bit more in the white. I just don't think it's, oh, I guess I got some little mini clusters there. It's kind of working. Probably gonna over torch this again. Don't want to burn the paint. Still getting more clustery in some of the painters I've watched. They can get just good separate cells. Maybe I'm just too greedy and I want the cells. That must be what the problem is. But lots of different colors popping through. Really liking this one. Very happy with this one. What do you think? Let me get my gloves off. Get you zoomed in a bit. I'm going to pause you for a second, let these ones grow a bit, and then bring you back zoomed in. How does that sound? Okay, look at that. Look at the colors, the rings of colors in my cells. I know it's a little over torched, not as bad as the other one, but look at that one there. Oh, I got paint all over my hands. How did I do that? I don't know. Oh, it's so pretty. This is what I was after on my last one, but to me it turned out too dark. This one looks a lot better, and I like that I went the sideways. So I'm really sorry that part of the video just didn't happen. Just poof, all of a sudden I had swiped. So my apologies for that. I was not paying attention. Maybe I just didn't turn the camera back on when my ring light fell over, and I thought I had it back on to record, and I guess I didn't, or it stopped. I don't know, I'll have to check. But I think this painting is beautiful. Looks like a little, like a barefoot there. So there's the 4 little toes. Oh, and that one, so beautiful. I really want to, when this is dry, I'm curious to see how the gold is going to look. But I think I am so happy with this. I am flabbergasted on how well this looks. Little bit of negative space. I just feel so bad that I messed up on the video. Just my luck. You know, I finally get a really good swipe with good rings, and you don't get to see most of it. But it was just me droning on about stuff. Who knows if you want to hear it or not. You know, I'm just talking to you guys. So you're kind of like my YouTube friends. That's kind of how I look at it. You know, I really appreciate it when you watch the videos. It makes my day. When I'm like, oh look, someone watched a video. So you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.